Srisha, and today in this video I am going to show you my new program, that is a printing function. So let's start. So firstly here I have taken a variable that is m and store an integer value that is a 0. Then another variable n is equals to integer input while okay, here I have used the while loop. While n is greater than m, print m plus 1, m is equals to m plus 1. So let's check this out. If I enter 12, as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, the whole counting until 12. So guys, I hope you liked this program now. So thank you.